What if you could make anyone feel instantly connected to you without saying much at all? These 10 psychology-backed tricks feel like mind reading, but they're real. You meet someone new. Within seconds, they're smiling more, leaning in, and feeling strangely drawn to you. No, it's not charm, and it's definitely not manipulation. It's science. Here are 10 rare psychology tricks that instantly make people like you, even if you're not the most confident or outgoing person in the room. Most people never learn these, but once you do, conversations feel effortless, connections deepen fast, and people walk away thinking, I don't know why, but I like them. Let's begin. Trick 1. The mistake bond. Psychologists call it the pratfall effect. People like you more when they see you make a small, harmless mistake. Why? Because perfection feels threatening, but a little imperfection makes you human. Next time you're nervous in a social setting, try this. Spill a drop of coffee, laugh it off, stumble on a word, own it. This vulnerability is magnetic. People don't connect to flawless, they connect to real. Trick 2. The time anchor compliment. Instead of the usual, nice shirt, say, that color really brings out your energy today. Reminds me of a sunrise. It does two things. Links the compliment to a visual or emotional anchor, feels thoughtful and personal, not generic. People remember how you made them feel. Attach a feeling to your compliment, and they'll remember you too. Trick 3. Ask the bridge question. Instead of, what do you do? Ask, what made you choose to do what you do? This instantly shifts the conversation from surface to personal, unlocking emotions, purpose, and story. It's not just small talk anymore. You've created space for real connection. Trick 4. The 1-second mirror. Want someone to feel seen without saying a word? Subtly mirror their posture or hand gestures 1 second after they do it. Science shows this micro-mirroring activates subconscious trust. They won't notice you're doing it, but their brain will whisper, we're alike. Trick 5. The confession effect. Share something slightly vulnerable early in a conversation. For example, honestly, I almost didn't come tonight. I felt a little off today, but I'm glad I did. Why? People match your emotional depth. Vulnerability opens a door that invites others in. It's not weakness, it's emotional generosity. Trick 6. Use their name, but softly. Not just at the start. Sprinkle their name into the middle of a thought. You know, Sarah, what you just said made me think. Hearing your name activates brain pleasure centers, but overuse feels manipulative. Use it like seasoning, not sauce. Trick 7. Echo their core words. If someone says, I'm just really overwhelmed at work, repeat a few words back. That sounds overwhelming. This subtle echoing shows you're not just listening, you're absorbing. It builds trust faster than generic replies like, that sucks, or oh no. Trick 8. The silent pause trick. Ask a deep question, then say nothing. Just wait. Silence feels awkward, so most people fill it, often with truth they wouldn't have shared otherwise. You create space, they fill it with connection. Trick 9. Spotlight effect reversal. Everyone secretly wonders, how am I being seen? Flip that. Say something like, you have a very calming presence. Do people ever tell you that? This tells them they already leave a positive impression, instantly calming their self-conscious mind. Trick 10. The final moment frame. People remember how you end a moment more than how you started it. So end every interaction with something like, I really enjoyed talking to you. Thanks for that. This final, emotional imprint lingers long after the moment is over. You don't need to be loud, or smooth, or perfect. You just need to be human, with intention. These psychology tricks don't manipulate people. They reveal you. And in that space, people feel safe, connected, and drawn to you, without even knowing why. So, try one today. Watch what changes. Drop a comment with the trick you're going to try first. Share this with someone who always says, "I'm bad at social stuff." Like it if you felt seen. And subscribe, because this channel, it's where human connection becomes an actual skill.